Welcome back to Crazy Bill's Garage, and today I have for you a product review. This is Armorall Podium Series Oracle Red Bull Racing Interior Detailer. Now this stuff has the potential to be the best Red Bull cleaning supplies for the interior of your car. This all-surface interior detailer combines versatile cleaning with, weird, I can't read that small writing. Wow, that stuff is small. So let's see here. Versatile cleaning with added UV protection. This high-performance formula cleans, details, and adds enhanced UV protection to all interior surfaces, including glass, tech screens, upholstery, leather, vinyl, rubber, and plastics with a no-shine surface. Now, that's what I like. What I want to see is spray product directly on the surface or on a clean. Oh, okay. So I can spray this. Now I have my Honda here, and it is, yes, as you see, it is pretty dirty in here. I haven't cleaned it all year. Well, that's terrible. I should be cleaning this car a lot more, but sometimes you just don't have the time. So I'm going to spray it right on, and we'll see what we get here. So I sprayed it right on there. I'll switch hands. Now for the odor. Very pleasant smelling, I gotta say. Man, I gotta move this back. There we go. Moved her back a little for you. Very pleasant smelling. It really is actually a nice smell. I was quite shocked. I'm doing this at the end of my day, and hopefully I'll be able to get her clean. And I'll just spray a bunch in there and see what we get. And I have not cleaned my car in a while. Well, I haven't driven it a whole lot this year. So now, look at this. We sprayed it in here on the clear plastic to see how well it will clean that. I'm thinking that'll do a fine job since it said it would. At least that's what I'm hoping. But the smell is actually kind of delightful, I would say. Let's get the center console here a bit. Oh, I haven't done a cleaning video in a very long time on my vehicles, and I decided, well, while my voice is still almost coming back, and it's getting there, I can do one. Let's do her on the screen here on the middle and see what we get. See if she cleans that off nice and streak free, I'm hoping. Looks good. So far, this is working out fine. Let me finish off the rest of the car, and then I'll give you a good look at it. So I think it cleaned really well. It gave it a pretty good, well, not a shine, but a clean look. No dust anymore. Did a really nice job. So the only thing is, I had to go over the clear glass inside the cluster here quite a bit to get the marks off. Same with the screen here. I had to really clean her well to get the screen, with no streaks. So, but I love the smell. It's very pleasant. It cleaned well. I must say, it did clean well. And I will definitely use it again. I would say it's a pretty good product. It's new. There's a couple of new products I may test in the rest of this summer to see how well they work. But to be honest, this was a decent one. Only thing is I didn't like the screen having kind of a streaks in it. Same with the glass here. And same with the glass here. If I don't clean, you're going to see the smudges of the product on the window. And if you don't scrub it off, it ain't coming off. So that'll probably be it for this. I would say this is probably a half decent product. And don't know why Armorall needed another one. They got so many, but it looks good. It actually cleans well, and it smells really well. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed. And, well, tune in Friday for a Use Filter Friday.